Hello in Hausa. Sannu. Good morning in Hausa. Ina kwana. How are you in Hausa? Ya kake ne? How job in Hausa? Ya aiki. How was your day in Hausa? Ya yau. How was your site in Hausa? Ya wajenku. How was your country in Hausa? Ya yanayin ƙasarku. How are you feeling in Hausa? Ya kake ji. How things in Hausa? Ya abubuwa. How was your weekend in Hausa? Ya satin. We stop here. Next week I will be